This is the teacher preview video for the product One More, One Less for the numbers 20 through 40. This Google Slide activity can be assigned in Google Classroom. For all of my Google Slides that I make a direction video for the students, so all they have to do is click play, and then they'll see me manipulating my screen, showing them exactly what they need to do on theirs. For this resource, they're going to be finding the number in the middle on the number line by clicking and dragging this oval over top of the number listed. And then they're going to be using the number line to help them find one less and one more. So if we're finding one less, we're going to go one number backwards. So that's going to be 31. They double click and then type it in the box. Then they follow the arrow down and do a subtraction sentence. 32 minus 1 equals, and they just figured out that is the number 31. Then they're going to go ahead and do one more. So they're going to go forward one hop, and they're going to reach the number 33. Then they're going to follow the arrow down and do the addition sentence. 32 plus 1 is 33. I'm going to show you the rest of the slides over here on the left. As I go through them, you'll see that not much changes except for the numbers, and we are focusing on the numbers 20 through 40. So there are 20 slides for them to practice. At the end, there is an answer key for you, so you can print this out or have it on a screen next to you as you grade. Just don't forget to delete it before assigning it to your students.